Now we learn how to copy a formula. So in Excel, it is very easy to automate your work. So here in this figure, we can see that we have to subtract expenses from sales figure. So here in the next cell, the formula will be the same. Here in this cell, the formula will be the same. So my question is, do we need to put the formula again and again? No. Here is the trick. So you click on this figure. So go to the right side down. Here you can see that the bottom right side, the small plus, and then just drag it to the cells. It will automatically put the formula. So here in this figure we can see that the formula here F7 minus F18. So here in this figure we can see the formula here G17 minus G18. So for like this, here is the summations or additions. So from here, if we click on the bottom right, you will see that the small icon, and then if we drag from here to here, it will automatically show you the results. You don't need to put the formulas again and again. Like this here, the average. So go to the bottom right side, drag it from here to here, or on all the cells, you'll see the results within a fraction of seconds. So it's very easy to work with Excel. So let's go to the next lecture.